Hey, Doug Shumway, Sweet One Media, and for this screencast, we're going to talk about how to enter a new approval template into the system. And so we just need to go to Tools and Templates here, and the first one is Agenda Item Approval Templates. I'm going to select that, and you're going to see the ones we actually have in the system already right here for as example. Now, I can actually go in here and edit these individual ones. I can rename it by hitting edit or edit the members. For example, if Robert leaves or we need to add somebody to this particular one, this is where you can actually add people, remove people by editing the members right from here. But for this example, we want to actually add a new one from scratch. So basically, I'm going to hit new right here. And let's just call this finance over, I don't know, 25K. So basically, all purchases over 25K, we're going to want to go through this particular review process. Now, I can actually add a little note here if I want to explain a little bit further, but a lot of times you can just leave it blank because it should be pretty self-explanatory. Hit update here, and now it's been added to the list, but now we need to actually add the members in here. So here are the members, we don't have any, so this is where we're going to use that edit members function. So add members here, and we're just going to pick who it needs to go to. So I'm going to pick first, I want to send this to the actual department approvers. So whatever department this comes out of, it needs to go through a mini review process before it leaves that department. Hit update here. If it needs to go to city clerk, then I can actually go in here and pick the city clerk. Let's say Amy Fuller here. Hit update, and then it needs to actually go to the finance director, and that's Walter. All right. So we actually have the three people in here. Ready to go. Now I may want to go in here and renumber these. We're going to actually go to this person second, and we want to go to Walter third. So you can actually edit the order on the fly as well. Now, whoops, I put the wrong one there. If we actually hit 3 here, there we go. Now, another thing I want to point out is we actually, besides doing department approvers or individual staff members, we actually can use the different boards or committees. So a board or committee can be an approval level as well. Just want to point that out. So I hit update here. Now we actually have for the finance over 25K, it's going to go through the department approver, then Amy, then Walter, as far as the approval process. I can close this out, and you'll see it's automatically updated right here and ready to go. Now, we create this approval template in the system, but now we need to associate it with some of the agenda types in the system. So I'm going to go up here to Tools and go to our agenda type setup. And let's say City Council. We're going to use a lot with City Council. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Edit here, and it actually opens up the details for me. One of the tabs we actually have is Approvals. Now you see right now, here's our finance over 25K. It is not associated with this currently, but as soon as I hit check, this actually associates this particular approval template with this agenda type here. Now you can actually turn on for all of them or just specific ones. For example, if you have an approval template that only applies to planning and zoning, you might only want to turn it on for the planning and zoning agenda type in the system. Now, you might want to take it a step farther, update here, but you might want to take a step farther and associate approval template with the item category, meaning anytime an agenda item is created for that category, it gets automatically assigned that approval template. So the last step here, if I go to Tools and click on Advanced and look up our agenda item categories, these are the different categories can be assigned to agenda item. You know, I have one here, finance over 25K, and the current approval template is set to none. I want to change this. I want to hit Edit, and I want to select the finance over 25K right here. So basically what happens now by hitting update, whenever a staff member enters in a new agenda item and they pick the category finance over 25,000, the system will automatically assign this approval template to it. So staff members don't have to do it. The system's smart enough to know, oh, it's this category, assign it this approval template. So that's how you can actually add a new template into the system, associate it to an agenda type, but also make it smart enough to know which categories to generate that approval template automatically. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.